Do you know the amount of toxic chemicals that we are exposed to on a daily basis? Hi, I'm Simona, co-founder of The Botanist. The Botanist offers a range of non-toxic, plant-based and eco-friendly home care products that are designed to create a healthier living environment and to reduce our daily exposure to toxic chemicals that can affect our health. Our eco-friendly line includes home cleaning essentials for every surface of the home, as well as personal and home care products like candles, room sprays, and hand soaps. Like us, the healthy home recognizes the critical role that indoor environment plays in our overall well-being, especially given that the average person spends up to 90% of their time indoors. Good boy! We believe in the power of nature to clean and protect our health, and partnering with The Healthy Home expands on this belief as they help create a healthier indoor environment through a range of eco-friendly home and personal care services like non-toxic carpet cleaning, mattress cleaning, and deep AC cleaning. We are both committed to providing solutions that enhance well-being and protect the environment. Explore the Botanist range of products now available through The Healthy Home and experience the transformative benefits of a home that's both clean and free of harmful chemicals.